Did you ever pause to consider that insects might rule the world? Welcome to the insect kingdom, a diverse and fascinating world that exists beneath our feet, above our heads, and all around us, often unseen, but always present. Insects are the most abundant group of animals on the planet, with estimates of their numbers ranging into the quintillions. That's right, quintillions, a number so vast it's almost impossible to comprehend. To put it in perspective, for every human on Earth there are about 1 billion insects. The insect kingdom is a realm of incredible diversity. There are more than 1 million known species of insects, and scientists believe there could be millions more yet to be discovered. From the smallest fairyfly, no bigger than a speck of dust, to the titan beetle, which can grow to be more than 6 inches long, insects come in an astounding array of shapes and sizes. But insects are more than just numerous and diverse. They also play vital roles in our ecosystems. They are the world's premier pollinators, helping plants to reproduce and produce the fruits and vegetables that we rely on for food. They are decomposers, breaking down dead plants and animals and returning their nutrients to the soil. They are also a key part of the food chain, serving as a food source for many birds, mammals, and other animals. Insects inhabit every corner of the globe, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from the hottest deserts to the coldest tundras. They have been around for hundreds of millions of years, surviving and thriving through countless changes in the Earth's climate and environment. So the next time you see a bug, rather than squashing it, take a moment to appreciate it for what it is, a tiny ambassador from a vast and ancient kingdom, a kingdom that is far larger and more important than most of us realize. So insects are the tiny rulers of the world, with their kingdom stretching across every corner of the Earth. Imagine a world where the architects and builders are smaller than a grain of rice. Welcome to the intriguing universe of ants and termites, a realm where miniature creatures build grand structures and establish complex societies. These marvelous Earth dwellers display some of the most remarkable feats of civil engineering and social organization found in the animal kingdom. Ants and termites live in colonies, each teeming with thousands, often millions of individuals. These colonies function like well-oiled machines, with each member performing a specific role. The division of labor is sharp and effective, creating an efficient society that thrives on cooperation and teamwork. The worker ants and termites are the backbone of the colony. They tirelessly toil day in and day out, tunneling through the soil, gathering food and caring for the young. These hard-working individuals are the builders, the cleaners, the nurses, and the gatherers of their world. Then there are the soldiers, the defenders of the colony. Equipped with large jaws or chemical weapons, they stand guard, ready to protect their home from any threat. Their unwavering bravery and dedication to the colony are truly awe-inspiring. At the heart of each colony is the queen, the mother of all. She is the life giver, laying thousands of eggs each day to ensure the survival and growth of the colony. Her role is vital, and she is cared for and protected by all. The structures these tiny architects construct are nothing short of mind-boggling. From the labyrinthine anthills to the towering termite mounds, these structures are complex, well-ventilated, and designed for optimum living conditions. These are not mere piles of dirt, they are intricate cities built to house millions, a testament to the extraordinary abilities of these tiny builders. In the grand scheme of things, ants and termites may seem insignificant, but take a closer look, and you'll find a world of wonder, a world where size does not determine worth, and even the smallest creatures can achieve the greatest feats. In the world of insects, the smallest creatures construct the most intricate homes. Who are the unsung heroes that allow us to enjoy a rainbow of fruits and flowers? The answer lies in the buzzing world of bees and the fluttering realm of butterflies. These tiny creatures are not just beautiful ornaments of nature, they play a vital role in pollination, a process that is crucial for the survival of our ecosystems. Let's dive into the world of bees first. Bees are nature's best pollinators. They visit flowers in search of nectar and pollen. As they move from flower to flower, they inadvertently carry pollen on their bodies, effectively fertilizing the plants and enabling them to produce fruit. This process, known as cross-pollination, is responsible for the existence of 1/3 of the food that we eat. That's right, every third bite of food you take should be credited to these buzzing pollinators. But bees don't work alone in this endeavor. Enter the butterflies, the flying masterpieces of nature. Butterflies also play a significant role in pollination, albeit in a slightly different manner. Butterflies have long straw-like tongues called proboscises, which they use to reach the nectar deep inside flowers. As they do this, They pick up pollen on their bodies and transfer it to other flowers. Unlike bees, butterflies can see the color red, which attracts them to a wider variety of flowers. These pollinators are not just important for food production, they are also crucial for maintaining biodiversity. By pollinating a diverse array of plants, bees and butterflies help to maintain the genetic diversity of the plant kingdom. This, in turn, supports a wide variety of wildlife, contributing to the overall health and balance of our ecosystems. However, these tiny heroes face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. It's important that we take steps to protect them, for their survival is intertwined with our own. So, next time you enjoy a sweet fruit or marvel at a blooming flower, remember to thank these tiny pollinators. Their humble efforts ensure the vibrancy and diversity of life on our planet, letting us enjoy the bounty of nature's beauty. In the insect world, who are the fierce predators that keep the balance of nature? Enter the dragonflies and praying mantises, two formidable predators that rule the insect kingdom with their impressive hunting skills. Dragonflies, with their iridescent wings and agile flight, are not just a beautiful sight to behold. They're voracious hunters too. Equipped with a pair of large, multifaceted eyes, they have an almost 360-degree field of vision. This incredible sight, paired with their lightning-fast speed, makes them formidable predators. They feed on mosquitoes, flies, bees, and even other dragonflies. Their predatory behavior helps control the population of these insects, contributing to the balance in their ecosystems. On the other hand, we have the praying mantises, named for their prayer-like stance. But don't let their serene posture fool you. These insects are ruthless predators. With their long, spiny forelegs, they're perfectly designed for capturing and gripping their prey. Praying mantises primarily feed on other insects, but larger species have been known to feast on small birds and reptiles. Their predatory nature plays a significant role in controlling the populations of the insects they prey on, and in turn, contributes to biodiversity. Both dragonflies and praying mantises are excellent examples of nature's checks and balances. Their predatory habits help control populations of other insects, preventing them from becoming too numerous and disrupting the ecosystem. Moreover, they provide a source of food for larger predators, making them an integral part of the food chain. These fascinating insects are more than just predators, though. They're symbols of the intricate balance of nature. They remind us that every creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the grand scheme of things. Even in the insect world, there are hunters and the hunted, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Ever wondered who cleans up the mess in nature? In the grand scheme of the ecosystem, there are tiny, often overlooked heroes that work around the clock to keep our planet clean and healthy. Yes, we're talking about beetles and flies. In the world of insects, beetles and flies have a rather unglamorous but absolutely vital role. They're nature's very own cleaning crew, the decomposers if you will. They feast on dead plants, animals, and waste, breaking them down into simpler organic matter. This process is essential to recycling nutrients in the environment and maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Beetles, particularly the dung beetles, have an interesting and somewhat amusing way of going about their recycling business. They roll up balls of dung, sometimes many times their own size, and transport them to a safe place where they can feed undisturbed. But it's not all about food. These dung balls also serve as the perfect breeding ground for their offspring. Ingenious, isn't it? On the other hand, flies, especially blowflies, have a knack for finding dead and decaying matter. In fact, they're often the first to arrive at the scene, even before any foul smell becomes noticeable to us humans. The female blowfly lays her eggs on the decaying matter, providing a rich food source for the hatching larvae. These larvae, or maggots as they're commonly known, consume the decaying matter, breaking it down further and aiding the decomposition process. This might not be the most pleasant of jobs, but it's a crucial one. Without these industrious beetles and flies, the world would be a much messier place. Literally. They help get rid of waste, prevent the spread of disease, and recycle nutrients back into the soil, aiding plant growth and contributing to biodiversity. So the insect world is not just about buzzing bees and beautiful butterflies, it's also about the unsung heroes who keep our planet clean and healthy.